To import products from AliExpress to Zendrop, start by finding a product on AliExpress that you want to import. Then, go to Zendrop and click on AliExpress Import under the Extras section. This feature is available in all plans, including the free plan. You will need to use Google Chrome to complete the import process. So if you haven't already, download the Chrome extension by clicking Add Chrome and then Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, open it and sign in to your Zendrop account. After signing in, you can click Find Products on AliExpress and then return to the product page on AliExpress. Click on the extension again, and you should see the option to Add to Import List. Click this button to gather the product data and import it to Zendrop. The imported product will appear in your My Products list on Zendrop, where you can review and publish it to your store. This process may take a few minutes, but once the product is imported, you can easily review and publish it.